Enhance your outdoor spaces with our expert landscape outdoor lighting, Hurst TX. Our team specializes in garden illumination, ensuring your garden is beautifully lit with LED outdoor lights and solar garden lights. Whether you need pathway lights or patio lighting, our Southlake garden lighting installation will transform your outdoor areas. Our outdoor lighting Hurst TX experts offer a range of services, including pathway lighting solutions and deck lighting specialists. Our landscape lighting experts are skilled in creating stunning exterior lighting designs that highlight your home's best features. Security lighting installation in Southlake is crucial for safety and peace of mind. Our motion sensor lights and floodlight installation services in Hurst TX provide reliable security solutions. We also offer dusk to dawn lighting in Hurst TX, ensuring your property is well lit throughout the night. Accent lighting services in Southlake add a touch of elegance to any outdoor space. Our team can install wall sconces, string lights, and spotlights to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. For those in Hurst, our string lighting experts can design and install beautiful lighting displays. Driveway lighting in Hurst TX and poolside lighting in Southlake TX are essential for both safety and aesthetics. Our bollard lighting and step lighting solutions in Southlake ensure that every corner of your property is well lit and accessible. Tree-up lighting in Hurst TX and outdoor chandelier installation in Southlake add dramatic flair to your landscape. Our lantern lighting services in Hurst TX provide a classic touch, while low-voltage lighting in Southlake offers energy-efficient options for your home. Our patio lighting design in Southlake and deck lighting specialists in Hurst TX can create the perfect ambiance for outdoor entertaining. Whether you need outdoor chandeliers or lantern lights, our team has the expertise to bring your vision to life. For comprehensive, our outdoor lighting, Hurst TX services in Southlake TX and Hurst TX trust Southlake Outdoor Lighting Co. to deliver exceptional results. From LED outdoor lighting in Hurst TX to solar lighting solutions in Southlake, we have the experience and knowledge to meet all your exterior lighting needs.